Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Alison.
Hello.
And we are back to introduce you to another brand new launch. This is the Creative Pastimes collection. Which we've not seen for a little while.
No, we haven't.
It's nice to have stamps again.
I like it.
And this is for all of you hobbyists. So if you've got a creative pastime, something that you do, or you know someone who has a creative pastime.
There's a lot of people out there.
Oh, aren't there just? This is going to be perfect for making cards and tags and decorating boxes and bags and all kinds of things for these people in your life. So let's have a look at what we've got going on.
And they're usually the special people.
Yes, because generally they make something for you too.
Exactly. So let's have a little look at the dies. We've got lots of ideas here for you to pop things together as well. So what have we got here?
So much.
Let's start with the basket, I think. We have a beautiful basket. We've also got a lace layer that sits on the basket as well. So you can have the wicker top, or on top of that you can pop your lace.
As if it was a lined basket.
Like a bread basket, isn't it? Looks like embroidery only then. We have the rolling pin at the top.
With lovely wood grain.
Gorgeous.
Nice
Absolutely gorgeous. We have a tiny, tiny crochet hook here. And it is tiny. But we had to have a crochet hook. It's just
so cute.
So dinky. Not sure what size that is, mind.
Very small.
Yes. We have a needle here. We have some thread that you can pop through your needle. Then we have an ingenious little handle. And it's here.
Yep.
I was looking, where's my handle? Because I knew I had all the bits to go on the handle. So this is your really pretty handle with some beautiful die cuts in the centre. So your whisk attaches to this. Your spoon attaches. Do we have anything else that attaches? I think that's it, isn't it?
That's it, yeah. Spoon and a whisk. That's all you need for baking. Spoon and a whisk.
Exactly. Exactly. And this, if you didn't put your trellis in, could be your bowl.
Could be. Could be a mixing bowl.
Could be a mixing bowl, couldn't it?
You could even leave out the embroidery on glaze bit and that, and just have that, and that could be like your overspill.
Yes.
Yeah, when you've been a bit messy. I'm not saying anyone is messy in the kitchen, but if you were.
It's probably me. I'll put my hands up to that one. So on top of that then, we have your ball of wool.
Now I love the fact, there's two things I love on this. Number one, that you've got the top and bottom bit on here that can either die cut or you can have them as deboss as well.
So they both fit in.
It's amazing.
It is clever. It is clever.
So depending on whether you fancy paper piecing or not on that particular day.
Or you just layer on top.
Or you just layer on top, yeah.
You could have a darker layer underneath, lighter layer on top, whichever. You've also got your wound ball of wool that your cat would love playing with.
Yes.
Then you've got your little bobbins. So these could be, I mean, you could use these as little bobbins as well, couldn't you?
Yep.
They are adorable.
And is that a bit of thread to go over the bobbin?
I think it is.
So you've got a deboss middle for your bobbin, so it looks like it's got thread on it. Or again,
you add extra thread.
Die cut version. It's amazing.
You have a scissors. You know the gorgeous, it looks like the gorgeous swan scissors, doesn't it?
The really fancy pair.
Then you have a cupcake. So you can either have sprinkles on top. No, that's your base, isn't it? Didn't we have one with sprinkles?
No, I think it's just a swirl.
Have I imagined that?
Yeah.
No sprinkles today.
Oh, I mean, you could use that fallout as sprinkles.
You could.
On top of your icing.
You could. And then you've got your gorgeous whippy top then.
Nice
It's
bit of
beautiful.
buttercream. And your cherry on top.
Your cherry, your knitting needles I forgot.
Mm-hmm.
And we've got extra bits of yarn that you could add to the end of your ball of wool. We've got a lovely little tag that says, oh gosh,
love.
with love, yes. Have I gone through everything?
I think so. It's a very jam-packed die set, as you can see. Covers quite a few different creative pastimes there, so I'm sure you can already think of someone that would suit a card or a box or a tag or something.
Everybody wants a cake. Everybody. It could be a birthday, couldn't it?
Could be.
You've got a little basket full of
There's your
cakes.
sprinkles.
I knew there were sprinkles somewhere. I knew. So on top of all that, we have a set of stamps. So we have a yummy birthday, bake, knit, crochet, sew, have a ball, keep on knitting, may your birthday be so perfect. Live, love, bake, it's your birthday, and may your birthday be as sweet as your creations.
I love that.
It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So we've covered occasions, we've covered birthdays, we've covered the lot in this little set. Do you think we better show some samples?
Oh, I think so. There are some amazing samples from our design team here. Some really, really cute ones.
Look at this. Look at these gorgeous
a little bit.
cupcakes.
Yeah, should be about right, hopefully.
Look at these, I
them.
love them.
The little cherries, I think, just make them.
I tell you what, there's a lot of cake sales and things coming up around this time of year. There's a lot of craft fairs coming up. What about using these as little tags?
You can make bunting for your stall
You could,
with little cakes on them.
yeah.
Nice.
Or if you hand make something with your yarn, what about putting your ball of wool with your details on it? I think that would be a wonderful idea. So there's our cupcakes. Then we have our basket of our balls of wool, and then our project that looks like it's been taken apart again.
Yeah.
Which I have many of them.
Yes, same.
But I think that's lovely.
Really pretty card.
Then we have, look at this, have a ball. I love this card. But wait, this is from our Vicky. So take off the inside, make sure I've got this the right way. Look at that.
Might need to go forward a little bit so we can get it all
look
on
at
and
that.
put it down. There we go.
So on the
love it.
bottom it says keep on knitting, and she's made a little table with a tablecloth on top, your basket of yarn on top of that. I think it's amazing.
Wonderful, wonderful
With your
card.
scissors, your needle for sewing, your knitting needles. Oh, I think it's beautiful. Let's pop that back together.
So I've
What
got a
have you
couple
got?
over here as well. So I've got another knitting themed one here. It's a nice big card. It's almost too big for the camera though.
Angela loves a big
Oh,
card.
absolutely. Those beautiful balls of wool in that basket there with the lovely scissors just in the front. Really, really pretty card. Thank you very much for that one, Angela.
Let's have a little look what we've got here. So now we're baking. So we have our rolling pin with our cakes.
I love the bottom is made to look like your kitchen cupboard.
It's
like your
gorgeous, isn't
counter,
it?
isn't it?
It is gorgeous. Your cherries on the top and your whisk and your spoon on the side. I think it's lush.
So clever.
Absolutely gorge. I think that is Vicky's as well.
I have a feeling it is.
I'm going to turn this around because can you see the depth on this? She's popped an extra piece of card there that the rolling pin is sat on.
Really lovely.
But it will go flat.
Yeah.
It will
For
all go
posting.
flat for posting.
I've got a very cute little card here. So what about making a little shaped
love
card?
this.
Look at this.
Or your tags.
Or tags, exactly. So this is from Sue. I'm just trying to see how this is constructed. So it is 3 of the little wool balls cut all together. And I don't know if you can just see in the middle through here, there's just a little strip of card, top and bottom, holding them all together. So they're doubled up on the sides. You've got two glued together, top and bottom. It's such a clever idea.
It's adorable, isn't it?
I absolutely
And you've got
love
another
that.
little fold
Yes. For
just
your,
on the very top.
for your crease on there. Such a good idea.
I think that's lovely.
So cute.
What else have we got? Oh, look at this. This is the sewing bee all the way for me.
Absolutely it is.
It is like a patchwork quilt with your little bobbins. I think it is beautiful. I love it. And it says, may your birthday be so perfect.
Beautiful.
And that is from Angela as well.
Just trying to see what else I've got here. So I've got another huge
I'm
card
pop that
order.
down there.
I've got one here from Shilpa. Another huge card with that beautiful big sewing basket on the front with some wool, some scissors.
It makes a
like that.
statement, doesn't it?
It really does, but then they're bringing in your lovely patterned paper with it as well.
But I love the fact that from the same die set, whether you make small cards like this, or whether you make great big large cards like that,
Oh, there you go. There's a...
these details don't look out of place.
No, they don't. So one little card, one big card, all together, and they still work with the same small elements on them.
Yeah.
They're not even that small, are they? Let's be honest. They're very big elements.
I love it.
Really, really nice. That
So-
one's from Angela.
And this is from Sue. But also, look at the depth she's created here. You know, she's added a little bit extra twine. She's added foam pads. She's created depth in this card. I love it. But these don't only decorate your cards.
No, I don't. I was just
Oh.
going to show this one just before we move on.
Oh!
What about a shaker? Everyone loves a shaker card. I'm just going to tip this slowly so you can see
That's
all
like your
of the...
sprinkles, isn't
It
it?
is. It's like you could probably put sprinkles in it. In
You
fact,
could.
and that would be a lovely.
Or
thing
those
to
little
do.
silver balls.
Yes, they're what are they called? Non-pareils.
I don't know what they're called.
Yeah, those.
Silver
Hundreds and
balls.
thousands.
Yes.
To you and I.
Yes.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Love it. So yes, go on then. Not just
Right.
cards.
Can I reach is the question now.
Oh yeah, did I put them too far away?
Probably. I'll bring them in one by one. Look at these little bobbins here on our Bits and Bobs box.
That's it. So yeah, Bits and Bobs box, which were launched at the same time. So they are technically going out at the same time. But what a lovely gift for someone who is a sewer or a crocheter. What a place to store all of their pieces. Or like we said in that video, what a nice way to gift a project for someone to make for themselves.
Yes. Look at the top of that one. That is stunning. And again, you know, bring in your pretty papers.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's beautiful. I've got one more box to bring in. Oh, hang on.
You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you.
I know. So I'm going to move that one out the way and I'm just going to show you this one. And I think this would be lovely.
Bit further.
Oh, a bit further forward.
There should be good.
There we go. What if you filled this with things like pom-pom makers and I'm trying to think of all the things you need. A thread cutter.
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh, what?
You can have some of the mini balls
Needles.
of wool and things like that.
Yes, you can get like little 10-gram balls of wool. Bobkins to do your stitching with. What else would a sewer have? If not a sewer, a knitter. What about your needle counter?
Mm-hmm.
To go on the end of your needle.
You'd have those little stitch markers.
Yes, your stitch markers. I forgot about them.
Yeah.
And there's some gorgeous ones of them
Oh,
out
aren't they
there.
just? Yeah.
Karen's bought me some stunners over the years. But yes, fill it with all your goodies. I really can't wait to see what your impression of these is and what you're going to do with them. Because I know you were going to make something absolutely gorgeous with it. So tell us in the comments below what you're going to plan to make and who you're going to make it for.
So these are available now on our website, so go and grab one for yourself while we still have stock, because they are obviously as always, you know, once it's gone with us. Don't forget, if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you do also get your 10% TCK code discount, which will include this amazing set as well. It's a brand new set. You can have another 10% off on top, and you get your kit every month. It's an amazing deal. You should definitely sign up. You can also pay in installments on our websites using ShopPay, ClearPay or PayPal, whichever one works best for you. And the most important thing, the thing that you should never ever ever forget, is to
tag us in your makes.
We love to see what you're making, where your imagination takes you with these products.
Yes.
And we love to show off your samples as well. So on our Weekend Live show on a Friday, we do often do a little segment called Show and Tell, where we like to show everyone who is watching some of the amazing projects that we've seen over the past week.
And we definitely see some gorgeous projects in our group.
We really do.
So if you've never shared in the group, pop your project on.
Absolutely. Everyone is more than welcome to share projects in
very, very welcome.
It is a little hive of creativity and inspiration, I like to think.
But it's not only... People share their ideas with you, but you also share your ideas with them. And we keep that creativity going then. We get like a little bit of tumbleweed that we all keep going along, don't we?
We make the snowball bigger.
Yes. Yes, we want a big snowball.
If you have enjoyed this video and if you love this amazing Creative Pastimes release, give us a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ting!
And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live, as we mentioned, so you don't miss out on any of that. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!
Bye!